the definitive guide to investing in Bitcoin on the stock exchange plus digital marketing. Discover how to make the most of this financial revolution. In this blog, we will explore the most effective strategies for investing in Bitcoin in the stock market. We will cover topics like technical analysis, fundamental analysis, Bitcoin as store of value, and much more. Get ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and discover how to make your money grow. Bitcoin on the exchange: how to invest safely and have incredible returns. If you are looking for an interesting and profitable way to invest in the stock market, Bitcoin could be the right path for you. In this blog, we will detail the best practices for investing in this cryptocurrency and obtaining incredible returns. We'll explore risk versus reward strategies, how to choose the right broker, and how to navigate market fluctuations. Get ready to embark on a super exciting investment journey. Bitcoin, the asset of the future for bold investors. If you are an investor looking for new opportunities, Bitcoin could be the perfect asset for you. In this blog, we will delve into this exciting world of cryptocurrencies and show you the best way to invest in Bitcoin on the stock market. We'll explore topics like the history of Bitcoin, its volatility, and how to use it as part of a targeted investment strategy. Don't miss the chance to be part of the financial future. Bitcoin on the stock exchange: how to make money with the largest cryptocurrency in the world. If you are looking for an interesting way to invest and earn money, Bitcoin could be the answer you are looking for. In this blog, we will reveal the most effective strategies for investing in Bitcoin on the stock market. We will discuss topics such as the importance of financial education, chart analysis, and risk management. Get ready to enter the cryptocurrency market and reap the rewards of this exciting investment. Bitcoin, the new asset class that is transforming the stock market. The stock market is evolving and Bitcoin is one of the main reasons for this. In this blog, we will explore this revolutionary cryptocurrency and show you the best way to invest in Bitcoin to earn incredible returns. We'll discuss innovative strategies such as dollar cost averaging, long-term investing, and how to make the most of market fluctuations. Come with us on this hair-raising financial adventure. Thank you guys.